Today at FoneFunShop we're going to do a quick unboxing video of the new iBridge by QianLi. This tool is used to diagnose faults on iPhone logic boards. This particular one is for the iPhone 6. So let's have a look what's inside. You got some adverts for some other QianLi tools. These are available also on our website, FoneFunShop.com. And then inside we've got the actual iBridge PCBs for the different areas of the phone that you wish to diagnose. A little bit of a manual there as well. Okay, these are available on our website, FoneFunShop.com. Thanks for watching.